My name is Laura Rendon. I currently live in North Bergen, New Jersey, and I commute here to John Jay, where I'm majoring in forensic psychology. One of the courses I take here is my freshman year seminar, which the theme is social justice, policing, and law. It was such a unique space where I could ask questions that I didn't know I had and maybe find the answers to such questions. We had the opportunity to create a research poster in that seminar where we get to have the freedom to create a topic that we typically wouldn't get to research in other schools. The topic I chose for my poster was medical experimentation in the past and how it leads into the present. With Early Start, you do get to register for classes earlier, and you get a better look into the materials you'll be looking into at your first semester, despite what your major may be. It was definitely a unique experience. I feel very comfortable. I feel like I can do anything here. I can't wait until I have more freedom and more opportunities that are important to me and share that with whoever wants to listen. If it weren't for John Jay, I wouldn't feel as if I am on the right path to doing what I was supposed to be doing.